Welcome to InkThink, a modular thinking environment built for people who think with a stylus, not a keyboard. Let me show you how it works. Everything in InkThink starts with ink. For example, with the tasks, you can take handwritten tasks. Just creating a new task is as simple as writing it in the bottom and then clicking Add. Your tasks are then shown in the overview dashboard along with notes, calendar items and quick notes. Notes work in the same way, where you can write freely, sketch ideas or capture thoughts in a meeting. And each of these notes you can rearrange and cluster accordingly as you would like. You can even convert a note into a task. InkThink also gives you a calendar. Haven't you always wanted to just have a handwritten calendar? Now you can with InkThink. InkThink provides you the ability to have different views, whether it's a day, week or month view, and just like before, you can easily create a new entry just by writing it at the bottom. InkThink also provides a canvas function. Think of these like mini index cards that you can create and move around to brainstorm freely. This way your ideas can evolve naturally and you can capture all your different ideas. Just like that, and you can move it around the screen. InkThink is the future of stylus-first creativity, a thinking environment built around you. Try it today and start building your ideas in the way that your mind actually works. Pro features add even more functionality for power users amongst you, including advanced views. It's available today on Android and Windows with special promotional pricing, with iOS and Mac coming soon. Thanks for checking out InkThink.